Hello everyone, welcome to Produce Consulting Service Private Limited and thank you for joining us today. In this video, we will demonstrate the engineering, procurement and construction contractor management system for Odoo. Many EPC companies manage engineering drawings, tender biddings, project planning, procurement, construction activities and project documentation using multiple disconnected systems. This often results in poor coordination, project delays, cost overruns, and limited visibility across departments. To solve these challenges, we developed the EPC Contractor Management System for Odoo. It provides a complete platform to manage the entire EPC project lifecycle from customer inquiry to project completion within a single integrated Odoo environment. The workflow begins in the CRM, where customer inquiries and project opportunities are recorded. From the CRM opportunity, users can create a drawing request for the engineering team to prepare project drawings. So here we can see CRM Kanban view. Also here we have created industrial chemical plant construction CRM pipeline. So here using create drawing request, we can create a drawing which we have already created, and we can see from the smart button of drawings. So here we can see drawing, its project customer, its designers, design approvers, its drawing details. Here we can upload a drawing, here description, internal notes and customer signature. So let us create new drawing request. So here we can upload the file, here we can add internal notes, here we can do customer signature, and here we can create a version from from the drawing. So when we create version, it's create another drawing, and here in the smart button we can see next version, and here we can see previous version. So also we can see all the drawings from smart button. Here we can see also documentation which we have uploaded all the documents. The system includes complete drawing management, allowing user to upload drawings, manage revisions, maintain version history, attach documents, control approvals. So teams always work with the latest approved designs. As we can see here, all the documents on the drawings. And its versioning, like next version and previous version. So here complete details from CRM to drawing request. So here also we can see material estimation, labor estimation and overhead estimation, and using the create job cost estimation button we can create a estimation, and also we have see from the smart button estimates. Here we can see already created job estimates. Here you can see all the details with project analytic accounts, tender bids, material estimations, labor estimations, overhead estimations, and additional notes with other info, all the details. So we can create job cost estimation directly from the CRM. So next, estimation team prepared detailed job estimates and project BOQs including material, labor and overhead cost. From the BOQ, user can generate job cost sheet to monitor estimated versus actual project cost during execution. So once project requirements are finalized, user can create a tender bid record, project details, attach documents and generate both the project and job estimates directly from the tender. So here in the bids, tender bid, We can see here all the details, tender details, its documentation, its location details, and internal notes. So we can directly create estimate and project from the tender bid. So we have already created it. So we can see here job cost estimate. Here we can see job estimate with material estimation, labor estimation, and overhead estimation, all the details. Also we can see here project details which we have already created from the tender bid. So here we can see all the details of project, its description, its construction site details, and tender details. So next, estimation team prepare detailed job estimates and project BOQ, including material, labor, overhead cost. From the BOQ, user can generate job cost sheet to monitor estimated versus actual project cost during execution. So here from the project BOQ, we already created job cost sheets with all the details of materials, labors, and overhead. So we can see job cost sheet from smart button from the project BOQ. So here we already created job cost sheet from the project BOQ. So we can see directly from the smart button. So its details with materials, labors, and overhead details. Projects are then divided into job orders in which project managers can assign work, manage material planning, track consumed materials, record timesheets, perform quality checks, manage project risks, and create incidents when issues arise. So here projects are divided into multiple job orders. So here we can open job order. So on job order, project managers can assign work, manage material plannings. So here we can see all the material plannings which we have already added. Track consume materials. Here we can see tracking all the consume materials. Record timesheet. Here we can fill up the timesheet for this job order. Perform quality checks. So here we can select quality template and its job quality checks. Here we can add on the job order. Also manage project risk, and also here we can create incident. So we have already created it. Here we can fill up all the details like risk incident, its description with incident photo. So we have already created it. So we can see here from the smart button. So here risk incident is created. So we can see risk incident from the smart button. Also we can create material requisition from the job order. We have already created it. So we can see here material requisition which we have created from the job order. Here we can see all the details. The system also allows user to generate purchase requisition directly from job orders, ensuring materials are requested based on actual project requirements. So here we can see purchase requisition which we have shown previous on the job order. So we can open directly from the purchase requisition menu and see all the details with internal picking and purchase order lines. Here we can see all the details. So here job order is also we can see on the purchase requisition. Once the project is complete, users can generate a project completion report, capture customer signatures, and maintain comprehensive project documentation for the final handover. So here we can see project completion reports. Here users can generate report, customer signatures, and internal notes. The solution also includes a customer portal where customers can view approved drawings, preview documents, download files, and provide digital signature online. So here we can see drawings on the portal where we can preview the documents. We can also download it, and also here we can provide customer signature which we have already generated. So we can see directly here customer signature. The system also provides extensive reporting capabilities. Users can analyze CRM opportunities through Kanban, list, calendar, activity, pivot, and graph views. So here we can see opportunities, Kanban view, it's a list view, it's a calendar view. Here we can see pivot view. Also we can see here graph view. So here we can see activity view of the CRM pipeline. Drawing management includes Kanban list, calendar, activity, pivot, and bar chart reports. So here we can see design drawings, pivot view, Kanban view, it's a list view, calendar view, graph view, pivot view, and also activity view. Also we can see contracts, it's a Kanban view, it's a list view. Here we can see all the contract details, form view, it's contract plan details. Also we can see here internal note of contracts. So here we can see calendar view, it's a pivot view, graph view, and activity view. Also we can see tender bids, Kanban view, and its list view. So we can see form view with tender details, documents, location details, and internal notes. So we can see a project BOQ and its form view with material, labors, and overhead details. Also we can see job estimates, its list view, and form view with material, labor, and overhead estimation with additional notes. So here we can see job estimates Kanban view, it's a calendar view, it's a pivot view, it's a graph view with material, labor and overhead estimate and total job estimate details. And also we can see activity view of job estimates. Also we can see here requisitions list view and its form view with internal picking and purchase order lines. Also we can see here created internal picking with all the products with the reference of purchase requisition. Also we can see here purchase order vendor wise. So we can see here purchase order lines, and here we can see requisition reference. Here you can see all the created purchase orders with its lines. Also we can see job cost sheets with list view and materials, labors and overhead details. So you can see all the Kanban list, calendar, pivot graph and activity views for comprehensive project monitoring. Now also we can see configuration of risk management. So here we can see all the risks we have added in the configuration, risk types, risk categories and risk responses. Also we can see here drawing configuration, here drawing stages, drawing tags and drawing categories. So we can see in the project configuration, here we can see project completion stages and its signature roles. Also we can see here job quality templates and here job quality checks Kanban view, it's a list view and graph view. Also we can see here in the job reporting, job cost sheet analysis. So here you can see job cost sheet analysis by material, labor and overhead types with its products and with job cost sheets. So here also we can see graph view, all the graph views with here cost price subtotal. We can see it differently like plant quantity, hours, cost price subtotal, cost per unit, actual vendor bill, time sheet and purchase quantity. Also we can see here daily logs, construction daily logs. You can see here it's job orders, construction daily logs, its activities, phone calls and meeting details, tests and inspections, equipments which we have to use, material deliveries, visitors and notes. All the details we can see on the construction daily logs which we have to log daily on this form. Additionally, the system generates professional PDF reports for contracts. So here we can see contract PDF report. So here you can see contract PDF reports with all the details. like customer period, next billing date, created date, contract details, plan details. Also here job estimates, PDF report. So we can see job estimate report with all the details like material estimation, labor estimation, and overhead estimation. And so we can see here project BOQ PDF report. So here we can see project BOQ reports with all the details like materials, labor, and overhead. Also we can open the job cost sheets and print job costing report. So also here we can see job cost sheet reports with all the details like materials, labor, and overhead details with all the total material, labor, overhead, and total cost. So we can see like this all the PDF reports. So making it easy to share information with customers, consultants, project managers, and stakeholders using this type of PDF reports. In summary, the engineering, procurement, and construction contractor management system for Odoo delivers a complete end-to-end ERP solution for managing engineering documentation, tender bidding, estimation, construction execution, project costing, quality assurance, risk management, project completion, customer collaboration, and reporting within one integrated Odoo platform. By centralizing every stage of EPC project lifecycle, organizations can improve project visibility, reduce operational costs, strengthen collaboration, maintain engineering document control, streamline procurement, improve cost management, accelerate project delivery, and enhance overall project success. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the engineering and construction contract management system for Odoo. For more information, implementation services, customization request, or product demonstration, please contact Probus Consulting Service Private Limited. Thank you and have a great day.